What's up, everybody? It's your girl Silk. One of my very favorite songs of all time is Beyonce's "Speechless." I love the songs, love the harmonies, and it love everything about the song itself, including the words. It has a very good message. When you're speaking to a man, my man actually requested that I sing this song, so I'm gonna do it for him. Surprisingly, I'm not the only one who loves this song yet. There is nowhere on YouTube instrumental for the song, so I guess somebody needs to work on that. But anyway, so what you'll hear in the background is probably Beyonce, just a little faintly. I'm just gonna play it for y'all, just so you have something to kind of, bob your head to a little bit while I do the song. But I'm gonna definitely be singing over her, so you might not hear too well. So here we go. You got me, you got me, you got me speechless. Mm-hmm. Where you been, baby? Waiting for you all day. Waiting for you to you that opens to my place. My heart starts trembling as I hear your footsteps pace. Like open torn up night, and there appears your face. Going down ahead, I think I'm losing all my mind. You drive me crazy, burning candles, making love all night. Feels so strange, it feels so crazy to be in your world. In your arms, lost for words, you got me. You got me. You got me. You got me. You got me speechless. Playing so closely. Feel your skin rubbing, touching me. Hold a sweat between us. Feeling you kissing and believing in me. I'll rub your back. I'll kiss your neck. I know that you love it when touch like that. I can feel you near me. Feels so good to me. Feels so good to me. Oh. Oh, oh, in You got me. Mm. So this is one of the moments, like in the relationship, when like he's taking me there, he's taking me there, but if I'm getting a little bit too much, you kind of want to just be like, good. You don't really, you don't have words for him, but you might have one word to say. You know what I mean? So you just be like, yeah.